Good morning, students. This is for mathematics, class 3rd, chapter 1, numbers and numeration. This is our revision lecture number 1. Topics to be covered. Topic 1, missing numbers, number names formed by blocks and abacus. Topic 2, counting by fives, tens, hundreds and thousands. Topic 3, natural numbers, whole numbers, greatest number and smallest number. Missing numbers. Question number 1. Write the missing numbers. Question 1 में बेटा आपको क्या लिखना है? You have to write the missing numbers. Part A, dash, comma, 4556, comma, 4557, comma, dash, comma, dash. Beta, for missing numbers, you must know the concept of before and after. Before means in Hindi pehle and after means in Hindi baad mein. So here beta, in the first fill up, you have to write the number that comes before 4556. इस फिलअप में आपको वो नंबर भरना है, वो मिसिंग नंबर लिखना है जो कि 4556 से पहले आता है. Clear beta? And here in these two fill-ups you have to write the numbers that comes after 4557. Clear? Let's start. The number that comes before 4556, that is 4555, है ना? और the numbers that comes after 4557 are 4558 and 4559. See, the number that comes before 4556 is 4555. Clear? अब हमें इन दो फिलअप के नंबर्स लिखने हैं, मिसिंग नंबर्स. So, the numbers that comes just after the 4557 are 4558 and 4559. Understood beta? In part B, 9059 dash, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, 9063. Beta, here in part B also, you have to write the numbers here in these three fill-ups that come after the 9059. आपको 9059 के बाद के तीन नंबर्स लिखने हैं इन थ्री fill-ups में. Okay, so what will be the three numbers after 9059? 9060, 9061, 9062. 9060, 9061, 9062. Clear? Number names. Question number 2. Write numbers for the given number names. Part A, 8306. बेटा पार्ट ए में जो ये नंबर नेम गिवन है, ये जो नंबर नेम दिया हुआ है, we have to write the numbers of this given number name. Okay, beta. Before solving this part A, I just want to tell you while speaking or writing any number of the given number names, we always speak and write one's place number name together. Okay. So here 8 is at thousands place, 3 is at hundreds place, at tens place there is no number name, so we will write 0 here. At ones place given number is 6, so number of this given number is 8306. C. At 1000 place 8, 100 place 3, tens place no number name was there, so we have written 0 here, and ones place 6. Clear? Similarly in part B, read first of all we will read the number names. 9420. Okay beta, as I told you, while solving part A, we always speak and write ones and tens place number name together. Okay, so here 9 is at thousands place, 4 is at hundreds place, and tens and ones place number is 2020. We will write 2 at tens place and 0 at ones place. See. 9 at thousands place, 4 at hundreds place, 2 at tens place and 0 at ones place. Clear beta? In part C, first of all we will read the number name of this given part C. 2452. So here 2 is at thousands place, 4 is at hundreds place. Okay, and tens and ones place 52 means 5 2. At tens place we will write 5, at ones place we will write 2. Okay, see. Thousands place 2, hundreds place 4, tens place 5 and ones place 2. Number and number name formed by blocks. Question number 3. Which number is formed by the following blocks? Write the number name also. See here beta, blocks are given. Okay, आपने इन blocks के क्या लिखने हैं? इन blocks से जो number form होगा वो number लिखना है और उस number का number name लिखना है. Okay, so let's start with ones place. Okay, here O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H stands for hundreds and TS stands for thousand. So here beta at ones place in a stack, how many blocks are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many blocks are there? 6. Okay, at ones place in a stack. Okay, here at tens place there are 2 stacks. Tens place पर कितने stacks हैं? 2. And number of blocks are 20. Okay, at hundreds place there is 1 stack and number of blocks in 1 stack are 100. Clear? At thousands place there are 3 stacks, 1, 2, 3 and number of blocks are 3000. Okay, so number formed is, क्या नंबर फॉर्म हुआ बेटा? 3 1 2 6 26. Okay, and its number name is 3226. Okay, number formed is C. As I told you, ones place, number of blocks are 6. Okay, at tens place, number of blocks are 20. At hundreds place, number of blocks are 100. At thousands place, number of blocks are 3000. So number formed is 3 1 2 6 26, and its number name is 3126. Clear? Question number 4. Read and write the numeral and its number name shown on the abacus. Beta, here abacus is given. आपको इस abacus को देखकर आपको क्या करना है? You have to write the, लिखना है numeral और उसका number name. Clear बेटा? Let's start from ones place number. हम कहाँ से शुरू करते हैं? Ones place से. Here O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H stands for hundreds, and TH stands for thousands. Okay, beta, here at ones place there is no bead, so we will write 0 here. Okay, at tens place, how many beads are there? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5. So we will write 5 here at tens place. Okay, at hundreds place there is no bead, so we will write 0 here at hundreds place. At thousands place, how many beads are there? Count. 1 2. 2 beads are there at thousands place. So numeral is 2 0 5 0 50. Okay, so number name of this given numeral 2050. Clear beta? Now see here, in this abacus we have to count the number of beads. हमें beads को काउंट करना है और फिर उसका क्या लिखना है? We have to write the numeral and its number name. जो आपका beads को काउंट करके numeral आएगा उसका आपने number name भी लिखना है. Okay, let's start from ones place. Here beta, at ones place, how many beads are there? Count. 1 2 3. 3 beads are there. So we will write 3 here at ones place. At tens place, no bead is there. So we will write 0 here at tens place. At hundreds place, there is no bead. So we will write 0 here at hundreds place. At thousands place, how many beads are there? Thousand place पे कितनी beads हैं? Let's count. 1 2 3 4. 4 beads are there. So we will write 4 here at thousands place. So numeral formed is 4003 and its number name is 4003. Understood? Counting by 5, tens, hundreds and thousands. Question number 5. Write the numerals from 2810, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash. Beta, before starting this topic, counting by fives, tens, hundreds and thousands, I just want to tell you the meaning of skip counting. Counting by fives, tens, hundreds and thousands is called skip counting. To skip count, we add the same number over and over. Okay, beta. So let's start with question number 5. Given number is 2810. हम 2810 के जो गिवन नंबर है इससे स्टार्ट करके काउंटिंग बाय फाइव्स वी हैव टू राइट दी नेक्स्ट 3 नंबर्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट. देखो बेटा, गिवन नंबर इज 2810. नाउ वी विल ऐड 5 in 2810. So next number will be 2815. Okay beta, now we will add 5 in 2815. So by adding 5 in 2815, our next number will be 2820. Okay, now we will add 5 in 2820. So our last number will be 2825. Clear? Now counting by tens. अब हम इस 2810 में क्या ऐड करेंगे? 10. See, given number is 2810. Now counting by tens, we will add 10 in 2810. So next number will be 2820. Now we will add 10 in 2820. Our next number will be 2830. अब हम 2830 में 10 ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आएगा बेटा? 2840. क्लियर? नाउ काउंटिंग बाय हंड्रेड्स. अब हम इस 2810 में क्या ऐड करेंगे? 100. सी, जब हम 2810 में we will add 100, so our next number will be 2910. When we will add 100 in 2910, our next number will be 3010. Now we will add 100 in 3010. Our next number will be 3110. Clear? So now here beta, counting by thousands, we have to add 1000 in 2810. See, अब हम इस गिवन नंबर 2810 में क्या ऐड करेंगे? 1000. So next number will be 3810. अब हम 3810 में 1000 ऐड करेंगे. So our next number will be 4810. Now we will add 1000 in 4810. So our next number will be 5810. Clear beta? Natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers, all numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called natural numbers or counting numbers. बेटा natural numbers क्या होते हैं? सभी numbers जो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on से start होते हैं, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Natural numbers or counting numbers. Clear beta? And what are whole numbers? If 0 is included in a natural numbers, they become a set of whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on are called whole numbers. Means natural numbers कौन से होते हैं? जो 1 2 3 4 5 ओके एंड सो ऑन, वो नेचुरल होते हैं. और जो होल नंबर्स होते हैं वो किससे स्टार्ट होते हैं? जीरो से. उसमें जीरो इंक्लूड होता है. 0 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. They are called whole numbers. Clear beta? Greatest number and smallest number. Part A, greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 1-digit number is 9, 2-digit number is 99. So 3-digit greatest number will be 999. We will write here 999. It is our greatest 3-digit number. Okay, 999. Part B, smallest 3-digit number. You have to write smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 1-digit number is 1, 2-digit number is 10. So smallest 3-digit number will be 100. Write 100 here. Clear? In part C, you have to write greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 1-digit number is 9, 2-digit number is 99, 3-digit number is 999. So greatest 4-digit number will be 9999. Clear? In part D, you have to write smallest 4-digit number. आपको smallest 4-digit number लिखना है. Smallest 1-digit number is 1, 2-digit number is 10, 3-digit number is 100. So smallest 4-digit number will be 1000. Write 1000 here. Clear beta? Understood? Now beta, today's homework is solve the following in notebook for practice. Question number 1, write the missing numbers. आपको missing numbers लिखने हैं question 1 में. Part A, dash 3558, 3559, dash, dash. In part B, 6111, 6112, dash, dash, dash. In part C, dash, dash, 7599, 7500, dash. बेटा पार्ट ए, बी और सी में आपको क्या लिखनी है? मिसिंग नंबर्स इन फिलअप्स में. ओके बेटा, इन फिलअप्स में आपको क्या लिखना है? मिसिंग नंबर्स. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन 2, काउंटिंग बाय 5, 10s, 100s and thousands. Write the numerals from part A, 3850, dash, dash, dash. आपको बेटा इसी नंबर से ही, इस नंबर को यूज करके, गिवन नंबर इज 3850, आपको इस फिलअप में कौन से नंबर लिखने हैं? काउंटिंग बाय 5s, 10s, 100s and thousands. Clear? Understood beta?